Enhance the look and feel of every wash in your LG dishwasher by using Rinse-Aid. Rinse-Aid is vital for drying your dishes and should be used for every load. The Rinse-Aid dispenser is located on the door next to the detergent dispenser. Push the button to release the dispenser door and fill with Rinse-Aid. Do not overfill. Your LG dishwasher allows you to adjust your Rinse-Aid dispenser settings for maximum performance. The Rinse-Aid dispenser is set to 3, which should provide the best performance under most conditions. However, if you have hard water and notice watermarks or mineral deposits on your dishes, increase the setting to 4 or 5. If mineral deposits remain even after you've changed your settings, adding a water softener or demineralizer may help. If your dishes are coming out streaky, then lower your settings down to 2 or 1. Please keep in mind that keeping Rinse-Aid setting too low can contribute to poor drying performance. When more Rinse-Aid is needed, the low Rinse-Aid indicator will appear in the display panel, and the Rinse-Aid indicator located in the compartment will be empty. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.